Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is Moody Florals, and it's going to be a little confusing this year because I have two planners called Moody Florals. One is an outdated 2021-2022, and one is current. So this is the current one. I am going to be using stickers from Planet Darby. And she has these absolutely stunning birds that I couldn't help myself but to use, and these circles as well. I pulled some Mojo Jojo boxes and checklists as well, and we'll start working on it. So we're going to be working on the week of January 15th through the 21st. Super excited about that. I am so relieved I'm starting to sound a little bit more like myself. The past 2 weeks have been quite under the weather for me. Anyway, back to planning. Look at these birds, like they are adorable. So these are printable. Darby does offer two variety of stickers. There's tangible ones, which means you get them physically in the mail, and there's printable ones that you download and print them yourself. So I printed these little guys. They're super cute, you guys. So I'm so excited to use them. It's like the perfect spread for January because it's cold and icky, and I can't wait to for the spring to arrive. So that's kind of where I am right now. Anyway, I'm going to be using the Check It Off from Mojo Jojo. I'm going to pull off some of the matching colors and the bullet points. These sticker books are like to die for. I love bullet points, and hers are such an amazing size that I can't help myself. So we're going to go ahead and put 3 dots a day because that's all I allow myself to schedule, because I was a classic overscheduler. So it is time not to do that anymore. And yes, these circles from Darby, they're beautiful and they come in different sizes. And obviously, if you get a printable like me, you can resize it to whatever you want. I print them at 4.7 by 6.8. So they're supposed to be 5 by 7, but Cricut has those like scanning little corners, so I can't do that. So I made them slightly smaller, but they seem to be working just fine. And yes, I love my little circles. I'm gonna add this bright blue. It doesn't quite match, but I think it might work out. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. And then, so we have these orange and blues. And I think I'm gonna add the gray to kind of help bring out the color of the snow into a more of a grayish. And I think that will work. Okay, and then this way I get to put the same ones on this side. So there we go. Yeah, I'm super excited about this one. I think it's going to be super cute. So let me know how you guys are doing. How was your January so far? Because I basically lost 2 weeks of my life in January, and it is what it is. Not super happy about it, right? But could be worse. So that's where I am. Let me know if you guys have a great January, or if you have a little bit of a grievance with January the way I do. So leave it down in the comments. I love learning about everything you guys do. Okay, so far I'm gonna add these little things on Sunday lower, which is okay because that bird needs to be there. That little cardinal and the blue jay. Is that a blue jay? Somebody who knows birds, can you let me know if that's blue jay? I think so, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm adding some of these. I think they work quite well. Look how cute this is. I haven't even done much to it and it's already adorable. I can't wait to write in it. Okay, so I think I need a couple of those smaller boxes because I'm finally going back to work. So that means work schedule. That's all that means, and that's all I want to do is put those in. So I'm gonna grab the basic rainbow because that's where I took the bullets from. So I want that blue to at least match. So I'm gonna pull those out and add them in here. And as you guys see in flip through, sometimes when I'm done with a spread or as I'm writing, I add changes. So when we do January flip through, you're gonna get to see if this spread stayed pretty similar or if it's completely different. So that's gonna be a little bit of fun. Okay, I need 3 more boxes, you guys. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I want bigger ones for the sidebar too, so I can write things that need to happen this week because there's a lot going on. We finally get to celebrate Christmas with my boyfriend's family this week. You guys, I know it's end of January, right? It's insane, but that's what it is. So, kind of where I am right now. So I'm gonna make this straight, or I'm gonna attempt to make it straight because I am not the straightest box putter, but oh well, right? So, okay, one more, and then I'm gonna cover up that note section right there. I think that's gonna look pretty good. Yeah. And then I can write something in between, or I can stick a quote. But I'm gonna add a couple more circles just for the fun of it. And let me know what you guys think about this spread. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in my planner. I'm gonna go look for those tiny small boxes and I'm gonna add them in here. And that'll be it. Have a great week and I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks for joining me. Bye.